Imagine controlling wine, invoking anything through it. This is the most visual miracle I have created in my life.
Ya. Chaval.
What is it? You pour wine on this. The spectator names any letter, symbol, card, or thought. You only need to blow, and the wine will begin to move on its own, revealing the information. Any plate, any wine, anytime. Thanks to this gimmick, they can check everything both at the beginning and at the end. More esoteric, more playful. This is your new everyday carry, reputation maker. Lo tiene. I'm Marcos Waldemar, and welcome to INVOCATION.